I Planky, IE, and IGH all say I. Repeat. I, the long I sound. Today we are going to practice long I words. I'll say it and then you say it. Ready? Begin. Ripe, bright, kite, pie, lime, inside, sigh, die, cried, slice, tile, chives, untie, light, right, flight, nice, tight, skies, bright. Excellent job. Let's do it one more time. Ripe, bright, kite, pie, lime, inside, sigh, die, cried, slice, tile, chives, untie, light, right, flight, nice, tight, skies, bright. Excellent job. Now I'm going to let you do it on your own. Remember, we're practicing the long I sound. All these words will have a long I sound in them. Ready? You try. Did you say them all? Good job. I'm going to point to a word and you tell me what it is. Yes, that's pie. Yes, that's chives. Good job. That's inside. Flight. Yes. Slice. Right. Excellent. Ripe. Good job. Bright. You did a good job.